Hello there, welcome again. In this lecture, we're gonna be looking at what is literal. In C#, a literal is a fixed value that is directly specified in the application source code and is used to initialize variables. Here, we have some examples. In each of them, the value assigned to the variable is a literal. For instance, the number 28 is an integral literal for the age variable. Okay, there are different types of literals in C#, such as string literals, integral literals, and boolean literals. And in this lecture, we're gonna talk about integral literals. An integral literal is an integer value written directly in our code and can be a decimal literal, hexadecimal literal, or binary literal. In these three examples, the values assigned to the variables are equal to each other, which means the value of all of them is 28. Okay, now let's give you some tips about hexadecimal and binary literals. A hexadecimal literal starts with 0, lowercase or uppercase x, followed by a hexadecimal number like 001c. A binary literal starts with 0, lowercase or uppercase b, followed by a binary number like 11100. Also, for more readability, we can use underscores. Okay, as you can see, if no prefix is specified, by default the number is assumed to be decimal literal. And generally, programmers almost always use decimal literals to initialize variables. Alright, now let's jump into VS Code and show you some examples. First, let's declare 3 variables and assign them the number 17 in decimal, binary, and hexadecimal literals. So, go for int %decimal equals 17. Then, int %hexadecimal equals 0x0011. And finally, int %binary equals 0b10001. Now let's display them in the terminal by writeLine method. As you can see, their values are all equal. Now, as we said, for more readability, we can use underscores. Let's run the application again. As expected, we get the same results. Okay, one thing you should know is that by default, integral literals are treated as int. For example, let's say for floor equals 4. In this example, the type of floor variable is specified as int. But if we wanna specify the variable type as long, we have to use L suffix. Also, we can use LU for uLong or U for uint. Okay, done. We'll see you in the next lecture.